Next, the dehulled sieves are crushed into smaller pieces by a flaking machine, increasing the surface area for better oil extraction. The flakes then undergo cooking in a steam cooker, where heat treatment helps stabilize the material and enhances oil flow during pressing. Following this, the cooked flakes enter the screw press or expeller. For higher yields, some production lines incorporate solvent extraction technology after mechanical pressing. This involves immersing the pressed cake in hexane or another suitable solvent to dissolve and extract residual oil. The mixture of oil and solvent, miscella, is subsequently separated through distillation. Finally, the crude cottonseed oil undergoes refining processes including deguming, neutralization, bleaching, and deodorization to remove unwanted substances like gums, free fatty acids, pigments, and odors. These steps ensure the final product meets food-grade standards. Throughout the entire process, auxiliary equipment such as conveyors, elevators,